Hello, friends, and welcome to Online Storytime. My name is Miss Dana, and I work here at the Lincoln County Public Library as a children's librarian. I so look forward to meeting you when you come back in person, and I hope you sign up for summer reading. Today, we're going to be talking about animals and animals that make noises. That's why we have these cute little kittens all surrounded by us. Look how cute they are. Do you like kittens? Miss Dana likes kittens a lot, and puppies too. All right, before we get into our stories and activities, let's go ahead and clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. We clap and say hello. With our friends at story time, we clap and say hello. Hello, everybody. Right, let's say goodbye to our furry friends here. Say bye-bye, kittens. And we're going to walk into the library and begin story time. The first book that we're going to be reading today is Moo, Ba, La 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 by Sandra Boynton. Let's get started. A cow says moo. A sheep says ba. 3 singing pigs say la la la. No, no, you say. That isn't right. The pigs say oink all day and night. Rhinoceroses snort and snuff, and little dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. Some other dogs go bow, wow, wow, and cats and kittens say meow. Quack, says the duck. A horse says neigh. It's quiet now. What do you say? The end. All right, now I am going to read a fun animal poem. On your screen, there will appear an animal as I read, and you can be listening for the animal sound. I got this poem from Tea Time with Taylor. Let's begin. This is a cow. A cow says moo. Here is a rooster who cock-a-doodle-doos. The animal that quacks is called a duck. Here is a chicken, and a chicken says cluck. The mouse goes squeak, and the birds in the sky say tweet, tweet, tweet. Bees go buzz. A snake says hiss. And a rabbit makes a thump just like this. Thump, thump, thump. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit is the sound of a frog. Woof, woof, woof is the sound of a dog. Hee-haw goes the donkey. Neigh goes the horse. These are the sounds of animals, of course. Grrr is the sound of a growling bear. Roar, roar, roar is the lion who scares. Hoo, 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 says the owl. Bah, says the sheep. Now it's time for the animals to all go to sleep. The end. Our next book is called Oink on the Farm. This book is really fun in the fact that over here are all kinds of fun animals, and you can press them to see what noise they make. So as we go throughout the book, I'm going to press it, and we're going to see what sounds they make in real life. Let's read. Goats love to jump, skip, and explore with their friends. Most goats are good at climbing, and some can even climb trees. Let's see what a goat sounds like. Ooh, very similar to a sheep, doesn't it? This mommy pig wallows in the cool mud while she feeds her noisy piglets. Oink, oink! Let's see what it sounds like. Goodness! A pig has 4 feet called trotters. Each trotter has 4 toes. Look at the mommy's babies right there. Out in their corral, horses munch on fresh hay. Let's press the horse. Woo! We say the sound a horse makes is neigh, neigh, but that's what a real horse sounds like. Horses have long hair on their head and neck called a mane. What are these? They're often associated with Thanksgiving, aren't they? Turkeys, you're right. Let's read. Swish, this turkey fans out his tail feathers as he struts along. A male turkey is called a gobbler because he makes a loud gobbling noise. Let's see what a loud gobbling noise sounds like. Goodness! This tractor is plowing the field to get it ready for planting crops. Vroom, vroom, vroom! Now that is Miss Dana's impression of a tractor. Let's see what a real tractor sounds like. Goodness, it's quite a bit different, isn't it? Tractors are used on the farm to pull big machines and move heavy loads. In the grass, this little calf plays with his mother. Moo, moo. Let's see what a real cow sounds like. Wow. Every cow's pattern of spots and patches is different. Sheep bleat and call to each other as they graze on juicy grass. See them eating the grass? They are grazing. Let's see what sound a baa makes when it's done by a real sheep. Wow. Sheep have thick, fluffy wool that can be used to make clothes. So lots of times in the winter, we wear clothes that are made from sheep's fur. This speedy sheepdog races through the field to herd the sheep. The farmer calls and whistles to tell his sheepdog where to go. Woof, woof. That's what a dog sounds like, according to Miss Dana. Let's see what it sounds like from the book. Goodness. Chickens scratch and peck at the ground looking for seeds and grain to eat. Let's press the chicken button. Hens sit on their eggs to keep them warm until their fluffy chicks hatch. Look at all these little chicks. There's so many of them. Here come some yellow ducklings waddling after their mother. Quack, quack! Ducks have flat webbed feet and waterproof feathers. Let's see what a duck sounds like. Quack, 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 quack. All right, that's the end. All right, everyone, it's time for a short finger play. If you're at home, you can hold up your fingers and pretend that you have animals on your fingers the way I do. When I go through this, after each animal bows down like this, you can make the animal noise at home. Let's begin. This little cow eats grass. This little horse eats hay. This little pig drinks water. But this little chicken, he gets all the animals to sleep each day. In your Storytime kit this week, you should be able to find a coloring book that says, "What does it say?" And throughout the book, you are to color each animal whatever the page says. So this one, the first page says, "I see a pink pig." What does it say? Oink, oink, it says all day. You can read this by yourself or with an adult, and then you can color each animal on each page. There are all kinds of fun animals to color. Don't miss out on your opportunity to get one of these free books here at our library if you have not picked up the May Online Storytime Kit. They're still available until May is over. In your Storytime Kit for May, you should have gotten this book, Puppy Dog Pals Mission Fun. Now, when you go through this book, there's all kinds of flaps to lift, but for right now, we're going to skip on to the page that has the barn on it. If you're at home, you can also find the page that has the barn on it. Now, if you look, there's all kinds of animal noises. There's squeak. What animal might make a squeaking noise? You'll have to lift the flap at home and find out. There's a hoot, a caw, a hee-haw, and lots more. You can get really good practice with animal sounds using your Puppy Dog Pals book this week. Have fun with it. Look, we get to say goodbye to the kittens one more time before we go. I hope that you guys enjoyed the story time and the activities that we did. And I hope that you are sure to sign up for summer reading. We have paper logs that you can pick up here at the library, or you can register on beanstack.com. We have tutorials available on our website to help you navigate Beanstack as you go in and record the minutes that you have read and what kind of tickets that you're going to put in for the prizes. I hope that everyone signs up and has a chance to win all the cool prizes that we have to offer. All right, it's time to say goodbye, so you know what that means. Let's get our little pointer fingers ready. This is friends, time, and say. Let's go ahead and sing. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. All right, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your day and join us next time. Bye-bye.